Hello Central New York, it's Charlie Miller from syracuse.com. Over the past couple of weeks, you voted on your favorite community fish fry in the area. And that brings me to the Fairmount Fire Department. Every Friday during Lent, this place is insane. You got people lined out the door, you have firefighters directing traffic in and out of the building, but most importantly, you've got hundreds of pounds of fish going in that deep fryer and into our bellies. Let's go inside and take a look at this organized chaos.
Okay, all with french fries? Okay.
All right, it's already up over there.
David? Goodwin?
Fairmount's got the best community fish fry because it's truly a community-based fish fry. And I keep things to a higher standard.
Right. How good is the fish?
Best fish I've ever had.
Looks like they do a lot of business, so it's got to be good, right?
It is good.
It's a good thing we did come early like you wanted to.
That's what I said. I said, it looks busy. Let's go early. And I'm glad we did.
That's good, honey.
It is good.
Tonight we got linguine and clams. It's made with garlic, shallots, some white wine, clams, and you get half a dozen of fresh little neck clams as well.
Hi, nice to meet you.
On behalf of syracuse.com, I want to present to you the award for Best Community Fish Fry.
Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Exactly an hour, we're at peak.
And how's it going so far?
Organized chaos is what I always say.